Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the UFS storage read and write speed test comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So during this process of demonstration, I'm trying to use these two applications which is available in the Play Store, as you can see, Android Bench and the CPDT. Let's see which phone can actually get what kind of values, and this is my first time doing this kind of side-by-side comparison between these both phones. Even I am really excited to see what kind of performance levels they will be having. Let me try to disable the high performance mode in this phone. I'm not sure whether this high performance mode will be enabled any kind of useful or not. That is the reason I'm trying to disable it. So both phones are not using any kind of high performance mode. So first let's start with the basic application, which is Android Bench application. As I said, this is my first time doing this kind of test side by side. So let's start the test at same time. 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yes. So now let's see, and both phones are having the UFS storage 3.1. So this test will give the results, and first phone to complete is the Realme X7 Max. As you can see, the Realme X7 Max finished first, and then the Oneplus Nord 2 finished. And now let's compare what is the sequential read and what is the sequential write and everything. As you can see, the difference. So 1757 versus 1645, 993 versus 978, not bad. So 253 versus 225. So random write 254, 221, and even sequential write, 8000 versus 5000. I think in every segment, the Realme X7 Max is a clear winner when compared with the Oneplus Nord 2. As you can see, friends, in every area, so in everything, not even one. So in everything, the Realme X7 Max is a clear winner in terms of the UFS 3.1 storage. Now let's compare with another one. Next application, let's move to the next application, which is a CPDT application. So that is the reason I'm trying to check the multiple applications just to be on safe side. So which phone has got what type of results. In this way, we'll be able to get to know. So let's start the test again. 1 2 3. So both phones at same time started, and here we got the results as well for the first test. So 448 versus 538, 776 versus 723. Wow, that's fantastic, friends. The Realme X7 Max is doing slightly more job. Great job. I think in this random write, just now it decreased in the Realme X7 Max. So just now 33 versus 23. And let's see the next one, random read 4K one. So these are the final results which we got right now, and in the first two, sequential write and read, you can see the Realme X7 Max slightly have the advantage, and random write 33 Mbps in this Oneplus Nord 2 versus 33, and random read 22 and 18, and memory copy and 10 GB and 10 GB. So both are kind of close to each other only in terms of the speeds, as you can see, friends, exactly. So this is a quick comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus Realme X7 Max. So in case if you want me to compare this kind of thing with other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below what are other devices you want me to compare similarly like this. So definitely I'll try to do my best to compare side by side to get the better results as possible. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information of each and every smartphone which I have created. All the playlists are created only for you to watch, and it will be very useful for you to decide which phone is the best and which phone to buy as well. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.